So here's my stock headers. Here's my Menzo's headers, along with these are my Tanabe's exhaust system, but the downpipes. Hold on. Yeah, so these are my Menzo's headers. Get there. Downpipe, not headers. Yeah, so it took me a while to get the back rear. Can't put that down here. Back rear. The hell I'm trying to say. Oh, headers, because they're on the TL. They're a pain in the ass. But I finally got them out, so I'm ready to do my. This stuff is. If you ain't got a shop and you're just doing this for in a parking lot and it's nice outside and you got no AC. Not AC. You don't have a tent outside, but you got AC inside a garage or your your garage. You're lucky. I have neither. So looking for me. And I'm just too much noise going on. But looking for me, I end up. It's actually not too hot. All this damn pollen around, but it is good. Yeah. So the new Menzo's headers downpipe, along with my Tanabe exhaust system, are getting put in. Yeah, it's always fun. This is the front. Actually, I need to take this off. And of course, I gotta take the back one off because that was a pain in the ass. But I got it done. I didn't have to ask nobody else to do it, but I got it. Oh, now I can't get it off. Oh, there we go. Yep. So, ooh, these things are lethal. Wow. But, yep, I will show you. What am I gonna say? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna install the new ones and get it done out the way. One step for me getting this car up and running. I'm super happy to get it done and cross fingers and go to some car shows. See you in a little bit.